Are you a busy woman looking to boost your income from the comfort of your own home? Look no further. With the rise of side hustles, there are plenty of opportunities for you to make extra money on the side. One popular option is freelance writing. If you have a way with words, consider writing articles, blog posts, or social media content for businesses in need of your expertise. Another great side hustle for busy women is virtual assisting. Put your organizational skills to use by managing emails, scheduling appointments, and handling administrative tasks for busy professionals. If you have a creative flair, consider starting an Etsy shop or selling handmade crafts online. This is a great way to turn your hobby into a profitable side hustle. No matter which side hustle you choose, make sure to set aside dedicated time each day to work on your business. With a little effort and determination, you can boost your income and achieve financial freedom from the comfort of your own home. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on how to succeed in the world of side hustles.